Hey everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome to my chaotic life as of late. This is really sad, but I have 3 boxes of Sipsby's tea. The first box came in September, so I have September, October, November to show you. I was actually, gonna do it monthly, show you one a month, but I just let things stack up. And it came to the point where I said, let me just show all at once. So I haven't drank any of this tea, even though I've wanted to. And so that's the first thing. And then I'm going to show you a new subscription to my channel of tea towels. Who doesn't love a good tea towel? So what do you want to see first? You want to see the tea, or do you just want to see the tea towel? All right, let's show the tea towel, because I got this yesterday. Spent my own money on it because this is so brand new to me. I never knew you can get a monthly subscription of beautiful tea towels. And this is what I received. So this is the first month, and it's by Gingiber. So people might think this is expensive, and it is. It's $16 a month for one tea towel, but that includes shipping. And these are like 100% cotton tea towels with really beautiful artisan designed artwork on them. So that's the other reason to spend a little bit of a premium on them. So let me show you it. I haven't even opened it up. Let me look at it first. Beautiful. It's poinsettias, and as you can see, it is orange, browns and oranges and greens. The back of the towel is nicely mitered, has mitered corners and a little tab so you can hang it up. It's 100% cotton. These towels, it says it right on the bag, made in China. So I want to be very upfront with you that these are made in China. People think, well, you may be spending a little bit more money because it's made in the United States. Unfortunately, it's not. But most of the things we buy today are truthfully made in China. But the artisans who do the monthly designs are real people who sell their designs to Gingiber. So I do have a code if you want to get 20% off your entire order. I think it's your entire order or each order. I'll put the code right here and in the description box below. Let's take one more look. Very pretty. So I will get this probably, I don't know, a couple of months. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how the other designs are. And also at this website, this is a subscription box. Most of the products at this website are non-subscription. You can buy towels and housewares and stuff like that. So it's non-subscription. Or you can get in on the subscription box. And actually, I had to wait until it opened up, like December 6th. It opened up again. Sometimes they close it because they have too many subscribers, then it opens up. Okay, Sipsby's. This was a gift from my dear husband to me, and I know what he paid for it. For 3 months, he paid $38.01. I did a 3-month subscription, and that was with a free, like a $10 off coupon. You can Google those and find them online. At the time he bought it, I'm like, hey, let me Google it, and he got it, the $10 off. So it was $38.01 for 3 months. I'm gonna go through each box. This is October's box. So Sipsby's is also a company that sells teas and tea accessory products. And you can customize your teas by when you set up your profile. I have gotten this box in the past before I even started YouTube. So you can tell them, when you like black teas, or you like fruity teas, floral teas, you like teas and bags, you like loose leaf. You make your own profile, and they try to send you teas in your liking according to your profile. So here is September, and they give you a welcome card, and they actually customize it to you. It says, "Hi Lisa, welcome to September," even though we're in December. And since I was a new subscriber, they included a welcome gift, which they do for, I think that's like in general what they do on their website. And it's a really cute tea strainer with a little hook. So this is usually for individual cups of tea. So I thought that was really cute and really pretty, like the star. And I was gonna turn this video around and put it on a desk to show you everything, but let me show you like this. This is exactly what comes in the box. Right here is an envelope of tea sachets. So you can put your loose leaf tea in here, and it also comes with a little tag. You put your loose leaf in, pull it tight, you don't want to rip anything, and you have yourself a cup of tea. And there looks to be at least 10 sachets in here. No, excuse me. I'll count them out. What, 3? Yeah, I don't know. It's quite a bit. There's about 8 to 10 sachets in here. So that's the first thing. And then we got 4 oolong teas by Choice Organics, 4 of them. And this is organic oolong. And truthfully, I only prefer to drink organic teas. I mean, that's just me personally. I think I feel better knowing what's going into my body. And then we got a black tea by Ahmed Tea of London. We got 4 of those. And I've had this tea before, and it is one of my favorites. I love me a good black tea. And this is actually made in England, in London. And then we got 4, oh, I love these. These are moringa teas, the miracle teas. Remember I used to open the daily goodie boxes? They used to put these moringas, a whole full box of them in here. And this is also a organic vegan tea. It's Earl Grey. So you're gonna get 4 of those. So that's 12 teas already. And we got 1 bag of loose leaf tea, and it's Avalon burnt apple oolong. And it says here you could make 4 cups out of it. So it has an apple, Turkish apple. So you're gonna get 16, 4 times, yeah, 16 teas in each box. That's the box. So that is the September box. I'll put this away nicely later. I'll put this in somewhere I can access it, start drinking it. Again, the first box came with the little tea strainer. This is October's box. So bad to open these so late. And again, they also give you the direction. They on each card, not only do they tell you what you get, they tell you how long to steep the tea for, how many minutes, stuff like that. They give you different instructions. Also on the front. So this is October's box. Looks just like that. Again, some loose leaf sachets in case you don't have a little tea strainer. And we got 4 of these, which is, it's called Teach Me. Real life, they call it it's a Darling Summer Tea Black Tea, certified organic. So this is new. It's by Vadam. This is new to me. And we got 4 vanilla cappuccinos. It's David's teas. David is one of my favorite names in the entire universe because that's my son's name. We got 4 of those. And it's an apple black tea. If I had opened this in October, it would have been for the, the season. We got a loose leaf rose apricot nectar tiny bee tea. And loose leaf. And another loose leaf, jade oolong tea. Also certified organic. So that was October. And then November. I'm catching up. Here is November's Sipsby box. And I'm going to probably order this again because I just love the little simple treat in the mail to me. I really do. And again, they say, hi, Lisa, and they've matched me up for October. We got the little tea strainers, those sachets that are disposable. And we got 4 black teas by Choice Organics. So again, the black teas that's heavy in my profile because that's what I love. I love a good black tea. We got, this one's all kind of mixed up. We got some cup of chocolate teas by Republic of Tea. I don't know if you've ever tried a chocolate tea. It's divine. It is divine. It's very good. When I first had one, I thought I wouldn't like it. I loved it. I think I had like chocolate moringa tea. I can't remember. And this one, oh, this one is absolutely divine. It's a black tea apricot one by Ahmed Tea, made in London. So that I'm really looking forward to. And then we got loose leaf tea, Vijan Oolong. This is by Bare Leaves, loose tea. So again, like 16 cups. iPhone storage too full. So when your iPhone storage is too full, they cut off your video. So I was saying you do get 16 cups per box. And it's a really nice treat to have come to your door. So if you're interested, I will leave a link down below to Sipsby's. And they always have all sorts of sales at their website. I mean, all the time. So I'm not even going to tell you like various sales because they constantly have sales. So those are the 2 things I had to show you. Tea towel, and teas. So I hope everybody is doing well, and you know, the holidays are coming up. I hope everybody's in a good mental frame of mind, and that you're happy. If you enjoyed the video, guys, give me a thumbs up. I always like to see that like sign. Sometimes people comment and they forget, and that's fine. I forget too, but hit that like button, and if you so choose, subscribe, and of course, talk to me in the comments. I love to talk to you. So can only do that if you say something to me. I'll say something back to you. Anyway, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.